fruit's name and its benefits. Apple. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. Apples support healthy digestion. Banana. Good source of potassium. Bananas support healthy blood pressure. Mango. High in vitamins A and C. Mangoes support healthy vision, immune function. Strawberry provide us high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Cherry, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Pineapple, rich in vitamin C and manganese. Orange, rich in vitamin C. Oranges support immune function, healthy skin, grapes, rich in antioxidants and reservation. Grapes may reduce inflammation. Watermelon, good source of hydration. Watermelon supports healthy digestion, blood pressure, peach, high in vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber, supports healthy digestion, heart health, and vision. Pear, good source of fiber, vitamins C and K, and potassium. Guava, improve blood sugar control, boost heart health, relieve painful periods, improve your digestion. Pomegranates, rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and potassium. Blueberries, high in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C and K.